Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to cancel an appointment on Calendly, whether something unexpected has come up or you simply need to reschedule. Knowing how to properly cancel appointments ensures clear communication with your attendees and keeps your calendar organized. First, open your web browser and navigate to calendly.com. Once you arrive at the Calendly homepage, you'll need to log in to your account using your credentials. Enter your email and password to access your dashboard. This is where you'll manage all your scheduling activities and upcoming meetings. After logging in successfully, you'll be directed to your Calendly homepage. Take a look at the left side of your screen where you'll see the main navigation panel. Here, locate and click on Meetings. This section is essential as it houses all your scheduled appointments, giving you a complete overview of your upcoming events and their details. Once you click on Meetings, Calendly will display a list of all your upcoming appointments. Browse through this list carefully to find the specific appointment you need to cancel. Each entry will show you important details like the date, time, and attendee information, making it easy to identify the right meeting. When you've located the appointment you want to cancel, go ahead and click on it to open up more options. After clicking on the appointment, you'll see additional details about that specific meeting along with various action buttons. Look for the Cancel button and click on it. This initiates the cancellation process and opens up a dialog box where you can manage the cancellation details. At this point, Calendly will present you with an optional message field. This is your opportunity to communicate directly with your attendee about why you're canceling. You might want to type something considerate like, sorry, I need to cancel the meeting, or provide a brief explanation if appropriate. While this message is optional, adding a personal note helps maintain professionalism and keeps your attendees informed rather than leaving them wondering what happened. After you've entered your message or decided to skip it, look for the confirmation button that says yes, cancel. Click on this button to finalize the cancellation. This action will officially remove the appointment from your calendar and automatically notify the attendee about the cancellation, including any message you included. And that's it. Your appointment has been successfully canceled and your attendee has been notified. You've maintained clear communication and kept your calendar accurate. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.